Hello, you welcome back to my channel. Today's video I am going to be explaining to you the usefulness of tea tree oil on the skin, what it's all about, what you can use to do on the skin. Not only the skin, tea tree oil is good on the skin, is good for the nails. Tea tree oil is good on the vagina. Tea tree oil is very good on the face and also in the scalp. So there are several usefulness of tea tree oil, but in order for you to really get the result you want, you need to add several other things, and several things you need to know also about tea tree oil. All you need to do is watch this video to the end, because you are going to get a lot of information about the skin, about the nails, about the scalp, about your vagina, what you can make use of tea tree oil to achieve using that. So if you're interested in this information, please hit the subscription button, share this video across the globe, and endeavor to give this video a huge thumbs up. And without wasting any time, let's quickly dive into the video. So tea tree oil, as you know, is distilled from plants, from natural plants. Tea tree oil is purely natural, and it contains a lot of antimicrobial properties. It contains antifungal properties, anti-inflammatory properties, antiviral properties, antibacterial properties. It is very good. It contains all these good qualities. Antiseptic properties is not to be left out. You can use this tea tree oil, as I mentioned, on your nails, on your scalp, on your skin, on your face. It can cure a lot of things, but you know, it cannot actually do the trick on its own. It needs other additive in order to speed up the healing process. Tea tree oil is actually made from natural plants, the same plant used in making green teas and black teas. Already you know the kind of effect you get from drinking green tea and black tea. You know the things it can cure, you know the effect it can give to you. Then compare that with tea tree oil. Is distilled from the same plant and know the qualities it possesses. So let's quickly dive into what tea tree oil can do for your skin, for your scalp, for your nails, and several others, and how to apply this in order for you to get a very good effect. The first skin problem that tea tree oil can treat, a major skin problem that out of 100, 80% of people suffer from this, is severe acne. Severe acne. Tea tree oil helps a lot in preventing further breakouts on the skin, and you can use this with aloe vera gel. It goes so well, it blends so well with aloe vera gel. So you can just scoop 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, aloe vera plant gel. Please go for 100% natural. If you can't get 100% natural, you're not sure of the product you have as an aloe vera gel, I will urge you to get the aloe vera plant gel and make your aloe vera gel by yourself. If you go down on my videos, you're going to see how to make aloe vera gel to get rid of the latex and to avoid the itch it gives you on your skin. So just use that link, watch the video, and prepare it on your own. All you need to do is 1 tablespoon of aloe vera gel, then you can add like 5 drops of tea tree oil. Use it on your acne. It's going to do wonders for it. And you can also make use of jojoba oil in order to dilute your tea tree oil, because you cannot actually use tea tree oil on its own, and you cannot also swallow tea tree oil. Please, it can burn everything. It's very, in fact, it is poisonous. So the best way to use it is for you to use it externally, and even using it externally, you cannot still use it on its own. And there are some tea tree oils that have already been diluted in the market, but it is not guaranteed, because people tend to mix a lot of things in order to dilute it. So the best thing is to buy the raw tea tree oil and then dilute it with natural stuff like I'm mentioning now. Then you make use of it in order to get the right effects and not get the bad effects from tea tree oil. So you can make use of jojoba oil. Jojoba oil is very good in acne because it's going to help open your pores and help the tea tree oil to penetrate deeply into your skin and make it very effective. And it is going to also hydrate your skin and keep it clean, and it's not going to leave any dark marks on your skin if you are making use of jojoba oil. Same with aloe vera. It's going to help lighten your dark spots, your freckles, all those inflamed things in your skin that is leading to acne is going to help get rid of it. So using tea tree oil, it can take like a week and your acne will be cleared off. So the second thing you can make use of tea tree oil to treat on your skin is smelly feet. If you're the type of person that love wearing socks always, if you love to wear socks all the time, you love to wear shoes and you go for labor, and when you come back you just remove them and drop without drying your shoes in the sun or without soaking your feet in warm water in order to get rid of the bacteria, you're going to suffer from alert foot. So the best thing for you to do, how to cure that smell with tea tree oil, is for you to put a warm water into your bowl, add like 2 tablespoons of a white vinegar, then you add like 5 drops of tea tree oil. You can also add 5 drops of lavender oil. Use it to soak your feet for 20 minutes. You can repeat this treatment every day or twice in a week, and also add the tea tree oil into the vinegar, dilute it with water, add the lavender oil. You can also add peppermint oil, use it to spray on your shoes, then dry it under the sun. Spray it in your shoe rather and dry it under the sun, and you're going to get rid of that smell, and you're going to get rid of the bacteria on your foot that could lead to alert foot from the smells. All those things is bacteria and growth of fungus on the skin, on your foot. You know very well that fungi, they like dark places, they like to grow in dark areas, so you should be careful whenever you wear your shoe. Try to dry it under the sun in order to prevent this, and include tea tree oil in your routines in order to get rid of some kind of bacteria that could grow on your skin. The third thing I am going to be mentioning today that you can use tea tree oil to treat is eczema. Tea tree oil is very effective on eczema, You can actually make use of tea tree oil and shea butter, then you add some drops of lavender oil. I'm talking about raw unrefined shea butter, please. It works better. And you can add 5 drops of lavender oil and 6 drops of tea tree oil in it. Melt the shea butter, add these oils, use it on your eczema. It works so well. It helps suppress those allergic reaction you get from eczema, and also with time it speed up the healing. So use this and you're going to see the effects of tea tree oil on your eczema. It works great. The next thing I'm going to be mentioning to you is dandruff. If you have a mild dandruff, you can make use of just tea tree oil and coconut oil to treat it. But if your dandruff is very severe, that you need extras in order for you to treat it. So if you have a mild dandruff, just drops of tea tree oil into your extra virgin coconut oil, use it as your hair cream, or drops of tea tree oil into your unrefined shea butter, use it as your hair cream. You're going to get rid of all the dandruff on your head. You're going to get rid of them if it is mild. So this treatment is best when your dandruff just started. You use this and it goes back. But if you have severe dandruff, you have to add several other things. For example, you can add your aloe vera gel, 100% plant-based aloe vera gel, and you can also add your onion oil. If you don't have onion oil, you can add the onion liquid, the onion water. Just infuse it, use it, add it with the aloe vera gel, add like 10 drops of tea tree oil. You use it as your hair cream too. Use it on your hair. It's going to work great. You can also add this tea tree oil in your shampoo and use this to wash. You can add like 10 drops to your daily shampoo. Use it to wash your hair and you're going to get rid of your dandruff. Another thing that you can use to treat you can use this tea tree oil to treat on your skin, on your hair, is hair lice. Nowadays you see hair lice are resisting some medications, you take this or you apply any chemical stuff, it has resistance to it. It's even coming up more because it can kill the lice, but it will not kill the egg. But tea tree oil is doing perfectly well in killing the lice and also killing the eggs. It is working so great. All you need to do is add enough drops of it into your daily shampoo and add a lavender oil, like enough drops into your shampoo. Use this to wash your hair. It is going to kill both the lice and it's going to also kill the egg. Then you can add the drops of tea tree oil into your shea butter. Use it as your hair cream and apply. Your lice will be gone, and there will be no remains because the eggs are gone. So what you should be tackling most in lice is the egg, because that one is very difficult to treat. The next thing you can use tea tree oil to treat, that's number 6 now, is your nails. If you have nail abnormalities, you know it's very difficult to treat this thing. It's very difficult to treat this thing, but tea tree oil takes care of these things with time. It doesn't just work great within a week. It takes time to treat it, but it works well in treating nail fungus, in treating nail abnormalities. Like, it revives your nail and make it grow anew. So what you can do is to have a nail soak. If you have any nail abnormalities, try to soak your nail every day. Use tea tree oil, the raw tea tree oil, put it inside warm water and add raw vinegar. Soak your nail every day and it's going to help revive your nail. In no time, you're going to start seeing new growth and your bad nails will be gone. So the next thing you can make use of tea tree oil to treat on your skin is bad breath. Tea tree oil contains antifungal, antibacterial properties and antiviral properties. So though I said it cannot be swallowed because it is poisonous, you're not going to swallow it for your bad breath. Rather, you are going to just zip it and rinse your mouth. You don't let it go through your throat. Very important. So for your bad breath, it's very important. You can just add tea tree oil to your toothpaste. You can add tea tree oil, some drops of tea tree oil to your toothpaste. Yeah. Or you add apple cider vinegar and tea tree oil, use it to rinse your mouth, or lemon and tea tree oil, use it to rinse your mouth, or you just give some drop to your toothpaste and use it to brush your teeth. Use it to brush your teeth, rinse it off with warm water. It's going to help in no time with your bad breath. You even sleep and wake up and still be breathing so good. It will not look like you were sleeping. The next thing you can make use of tea tree oil to treat on your skin is inflammation. You can make use of tea tree oil to treat your inflamed skin, swelling on your skin, and maybe some kind of wound you have that causes inflammation on yourself. In the healing process, you can make use of tea tree oil to treat it. It works so well in treating inflammations. You can just add some drops of paraffin oil to it. It works so well with it, and dilute it with jojoba oil. Use it to rub on your inflammations and it's going to do wonders to it. For bad breath, you can add some drops of tea tree oil to chamomile tea and use it to rinse your mouth. Use it to rinse your mouth, then the remains, pour it out, don't drink it. You can as well just put a little, so that after using it to rinse your mouth, you can now drink your chamomile tea. Chamomile tea works so well in bad breath too, but that's going to be another review for another day. So the next thing you can actually make use of tea tree oil to treat is, you still want to hear more? Okay, your yeast, fungal infection, candida, albican, all those infections that actually cause your vag to smell. You can use tea tree oil to steam. You can use tea tree oil, dilute it with coconut oil. Use it, just 2 drops of tea tree oil with with half cup of coconut oil, or 3 drops of raw tea tree oil with half cup of coconut oil. Rub around that area and you are going to see the effect it's going to give to you. Remember, it contains good properties, antiseptic properties that helps heal so many things on the skin. You just need to know what to add with it in order to get the effect. Remember, you should not swallow tea tree oil. Apart from that, tea tree oil is and you're never gonna regret using it because it works so fast because of its good qualities. So remember to give the video a thumbs up now that you've known so many things that tea tree oil can treat. Give this video a thumbs up, share this video around the globe, and always come to Best Skin Plug to shop for all your organic skincare and all your essential skin and hair materials. Just shop at Best Skin Plug. Will be delivered to you anywhere you are in Nigeria, and all those things I have mentioned on this video, you can get it. I'm going to put the link in the description and you're going to see them and buy them on your own. You know, subscribing to this channel is actually going to just help promote this channel and help this community to grow bigger and bigger and bigger, and it's going to also encourage me to some extent. And you know, the subscription is automatically free. You just have to hit that bell to notify you each time there is an upload coming from me. Not necessarily that you're going to get anything from me. No, it's automatically free. It's for your own good, so that you get notified. You'll be the first to get notified each time I upload anything. That's just the major reason for the subscription. Grow this community, and please always come back to watch. See you in my next video because it's going to get better, so stay tuned. Bye.